gains are being led right now by PSU banks, followed by private banks. Then you've got Nifty Defense and Finance. So the entire financial basket is doing well in trade, and this is being followed by auto, realty, oil and gas. You've got media, energy, IT, and then you have pharma, metal, and FMCG, with FMCG being the least gaining sector in trade today. Remember, Friday also FMCG was massively under pressure, and that trend continues. You have about a 1/10% uptick coming in on FMCG, so not much is happening over there. From the broad end of the market, of course, we've seen some earnings reactions coming in. Something like Hindalco has done well on the back of its numbers. You also have some stocks like HFCL, MV Photovoltaic, Titagar Rail, Finolex Cable, EIL, Aisha, Schneider, NBCC on that order win, Narayana on earnings, Urban Company, all of them are doing really well, seeing gains of more than 5% on all of these names. On the flip side, Belrise Industries on the back of weak earnings is under pressure, as is the case with Sarda Energy. You've got Shipping Corporation, Info Edge under pressure, Timken India, Oil India, Honeywell Automation, all of these stocks are under pressure. This is largely what the breadth of the market is looking like right now. Lots of earnings reactions, some brokerage reactions, and news and updates like order wins. And of course, the railway stocks like Titagar Rail, Jupiter Wagon, all of them are in focus on the back of reports suggesting that the railway might be looking to procure 1 lakh unit of wagons. So much is happening in the market. Let's get a better sense on how the market is shaping up on the charts. We've got Mr. Vinay Rajani of HDFC Securities joining us on the show. Vinay, hi, good afternoon, and good to be speaking with you at the halftime mark of the trading day. The first half of trade has been really resilient. We've seen some good moves coming in on the Nifty. The global handover has also been really cheery. Talk to us about how do you think trade is going to pan out in the second half, and also this is going to be a week where we're going to be seeing back-to-back expiries, given Thursday is a holiday. Do you believe that could create some pressure on the markets, given it's back-to-back monthly expiries more so?
Yeah, good afternoon. So Nifty has actually broken out today. 23,800 was the resistance, and Nifty was not able to cross that level. And today we can see that since morning it is holding above that on the back of some positive global cues. And it seems that it is finally going to settle here, and it is closing. It is going to close strong today. And the better part of the market is the broader market participation. We can see that the micro cap 250 index, the small cap index, they have been showing good strength, and they are actually resuming their positional uptrend. We can see that Nifty Midcap 100 index is again on the verge of registering a fresh all-time high. So that is a very good sign of the broader market participation. So yes, it's a good setup as far as market is concerned. Nifty is definitely underperforming the broader markets. But for Nifty also, we are suggesting our clients to hold on to the long positions, and 23,800 can act as a strong support for the short term, and positional trader can keep a stop loss at 23,500. And unless that is broken on the downside, we can expect markets to do well. On the upper side, we can see a Nifty resistance for the Nifty is around 24,400, where the downward sloping trend line comes, where the immediate resistance comes. So basically, we are expecting Nifty to extend this rally, and the first resistance for the Nifty comes in around 24,400. That should be the target, and 23,800 is a strong support which should be utilized to go long again. And we are bullish on the market, at least for the short term.
Okay, so bullish outlook on the market, and those are some of the key levels to be watching out for, both on the upside and on the support front when it comes to Nifty. But when I am in a market like this, you're seeing some sectors outperforming the others. Financials are also doing really well. On that note, give us a sense of where you are tilting. Where is the bias in the market right now? What would your stock-specific recommendations be at this hour?
Yeah, so sector rotation was going on, and leadership has changed now. For last 2-3 sessions, we can see that the leadership is taken by the financial sectors, the rate sensitive sectors, and there we see a good strength. And going forward, also the kind of global developments going on right now, it is clearly positive for the rate sensitive sector. So I am going to bet on the financial and the rate sensitive sector. So one of the stock which we like on the chart is the Power Finance Corporation, PFC. So this stock has witnessed some healthy correction, and now again seems to be resuming its overall uptrend. So around 440 one can go long in PFC. Traders can keep a stop loss at 433. On the upside, we are expecting a target at 452 in the short term. The second stock we like from the financial space is the LTF, the L&T Finance and Holding. So L&T Finance can be bought around 279. This has also seen some good correction and bouncing from the long-term supports. So LTF around 279 one can go long. 275 should be the trading stop loss. On the upside, we are expecting a target of 287 in short term. So for these two stocks, we like at least for the 1 week time horizon with 3 to 4% upside.
In L&T Finance looking good to Vinay on the charts right now. Vinay, on that note, thank you so much for your time and thanks for sharing your outlook on the charts with us and our viewers. Thanks so much. Viewers, on that note, it's time to slip into a very short break. On the other side, we'll start decoding some of the earnings candidates, and we've got the management of Keval Kiran Clothing, who's going to be joining us on the other side on the back of some really good Q4 numbers that the company has reported. So stay tuned and we'll be right back and dive straight into that conversation.